Hello friend, in this video, I will teach you how to fill series automatically in Excel. Select the first cell in the range that you want to fill and type the starting value for the series. Then drag the fill handle. Same way you can do for all series. For example, type first month name into the cell, then drag the filler. Do the same for day and date series. We can drag horizontally also in same manner. We can also type the different pattern in same manner.